Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar in Outlook at the top of your emails. This is incredibly useful if you frequently need to search through your messages and want quick access to search tools right from your main toolbar. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Make sure to give it a moment to fully load all your emails and folders. This ensures that when we make changes to the interface, everything will be properly synced and ready to go. Once your email has loaded completely, we're going to start customizing your Outlook interface. Navigate to the File menu located at the top part of your screen where all your main tools and menus are positioned. Go ahead and click on the File tab. This will open up a side menu with various options for managing your Outlook settings and account preferences. Now, within the File menu, you'll want to look for the Options link. You'll find this located at the very bottom of the File menu, so scroll down if needed and click on it. This action will open a new window called Microsoft Outlook Options, which is your control center for customizing how Outlook looks and behaves. In the Microsoft Outlook Options window, look over to the left navigation menu. Here you'll see several tabs listed vertically. Find and click on Customize Ribbon. This is where you can add or remove features from your main toolbar. Once you're in the Customize Ribbon section, you'll notice a drop-down menu that currently shows popular commands. Click on this drop-down and change it to Tool tabs instead. This will display all the available tool tabs that you can add to your interface. Under the Tool tabs list, scroll through until you find Search. When you locate the search tool, you'll want to add it to your main tabs. To do this, simply click on the Add button positioned in the middle of your screen between the two columns. This moves the Search tab from the available options into your active tabs. Once you've successfully added it, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes, and that's it. You'll now see the Search tab added directly to your menu tabs at the top of Outlook. You can access this search menu anytime you're viewing your inbox or while your emails are open, making it much faster to find specific messages or information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.